Hello, this is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I went Scaventure. I did. I lost my mind. I left here at about 1 o'clock this afternoon, didn't get home until about 7:15 or so. I took the hags with me, and off we went. I went to 1, 2, 3 different savers today, and I went to Tuesday morning out off of Marks in Henderson, Nevada. And it's about a 30-minute ride down the highway there. We went out there. The ladies in the store were very, very, very nice, very fantastic people to sit and have a little conversation with, and just really, really generous with their time and with their store, and I appreciate that so much. It's always nice when I go in to film in a Tuesday morning. The employees are just excellent, and, you know, they give me the ability to basically film in the aisles, and everything was so neat and so clean and so well put together today, and I really appreciate that because it makes my job a whole lot easier. So let's take a look at that Tuesday morning Scaventure, and then we'll take a look at some of the things that I picked up at the Savers, okay? All right, so what did I get today? Well, first thing I got was these. I bought several sets of cabochons. I bought some Paris ones and some flower ones and some butterfly cabochons, and I love these things. They're about an inch wide. They're glass. They're probably about a quarter of an inch deep, and I love these for all kinds of things. I like them to use them with bottle caps, and I like to put them in metal pieces and stuff like that, and they're just really cool. So I grabbed a couple of sets of those while I was out. Also, my bulk supplier started carrying masks, and they're not very thick. They are washable. They're machine washable. They're nice and stretchy, and they amazingly have them in kid size. So, I mean, they only have certain patterns of this, but I went ahead and grabbed a couple of the kid size ones for my grandkids. And then they had, you know, just basic color, solid colors. I grabbed a couple of colors, and they had a couple of adult designs as well. So I grabbed those, pretty inexpensive. I know that the kid size ones are really hard to find, so if you're looking for the kid size masks, let me know. I will be more than happy to go back out and pick some of the kid size ones up. And even the adult, you know, if you need the adult size too, let me know. I'll be happy to pick them up. You know, they are very inexpensive. Some of the masks I've seen are selling for, you know, $10, $12 online and at Etsy and stuff like that. And these are really inexpensive, and I can get them for just a few dollars. So let me know if you need them. I will be more than happy to pick them up and put them in your next package for you, okay? So what else did I get on my Scaventure? Well, I found some of these today in the thrift store, and they're just tags. And I don't particularly like the red, but I can find a use for them. But I certainly like the little white ones, and they were like 50 cents, so I grabbed them. Figured I could use them for something. And I got a couple of dies in today when I got home. I got these here, and these are about, they're about 2 1/4 inches wide at the widest point, and they're 6 inches long, so that's the biggest one there, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces in that nest set. And then I got these, and these are book plates. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's like 2, 2, and 2, so they fit in, so they layer into each other, and they have just that 1/8 of an inch between one to the next. And these are really cool. They're great size, so I can use them for like making journal cards in this shape, which I think is really different, and I like anything that's different in my books. So I grabbed those as well. And the other thing that I got was my new metal pieces came in, guys. check these out. Look at these wings. How stinking gorgeous are these? Right? Let me bring that up so you can get an idea of this thing. Look at this. Look at that gorgeous piece, right? So those came in today. These ones came in today, and they came in 3 colors. Beautiful, right? So I've got those in 3 colors. Then I also got in these, and these came in 3 colors as well. There it is. So I've got the silver, the gold, and the antique brass in this as well. Aren't they stinking cute? So those came in today. And this one came in today. I have this in 3 colors as well. So I got in 4 different pieces today in the metals. I'm going to put a poll in. I need you guys to tell me, which ones would you prefer? Would you prefer the gold, the antique bronze, or the silvers? So I'm going to go ahead and just, put that out there and let you guys kind of do the poll and see what you think. And then we went to the Tuesday morning, and at the Tuesday morning, I picked up 2 things. The first one was this set of Bo Bunny cardstock stickers for $1.99, 224-6770. For this one, this is actually the stickers for the Boulevard pad collection from Bo Bunny. I was just really attracted to this, so I got this. And I've never seen the paper pad, so I came home and looked and found it. It's available at Joann's. Apparently they have it in my local store, and I can pick it up tomorrow. So I ordered a couple of them in the 6x6. I didn't really like the 12x12, so I ordered it in the 6x6. So I will go and check that out and pick that up and let you guys see what that looks like when it comes in. And the other thing I picked up was some brads. Now, I've seen the brads before. I like this brad set. I love these. And I really just liked the blue color. And it doesn't really go with anything like per se. It's just blue brads. But it went really well with this particular paper pad. So I grabbed those for $2.99, 215-6801. That's 36 pieces on this one. 62 pieces of cardstock stickers. That's what I picked up today. So listen, if you haven't done so already, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit the red button for me. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Because, well, I'm hauling from Tuesday morning and any other place I can find. And, I get some really neat stuff. So until the next time, guys, bye-bye.